In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and utilize the features of a Pipedrive automation template using the Virtual Assistant 5.pipedrive.com platform. If you're looking to streamline tasks and make your workflow smoother, then you're in the right place. Let's dive in and explore how you can efficiently set up your pipeline. Firstly, head over to the Pipedrive homepage. This is where all the magic of automation begins. Once you're on the home page, you'll want to locate and click on Automations. This section is dedicated to helping you automate regular tasks, meaning less manual input and more time for strategic work. Now let's explore the available templates by clicking on a featured template. Featured templates are pre-configured automation setups that can make your work significantly easier by offering ready-to-use automations for common tasks. After selecting a template, hit the Continue button. This will lead you to the next stage where you can customize this template to better suit your needs. The next step is to activate the template by clicking on Use Template. Once you've done that, let's add an activity to the workflow by clicking on Add an Activity. Now, it's important to give your activity an appropriate title. Think about the task you're expecting to automate and name this activity accordingly. Then click on the Activity Type drop-down. Here you'll find several options. For our example, we're going to select Call as the activity type. This reflects that our automated task involves making or scheduling calls. Next, hit the Due Date option. Given the nature of automation, it's often helpful to set the due date as the same day, ensuring tasks are handled promptly. Once that's set, click on Wait until the activity is marked as done. This step is crucial as it ensures that the pipeline waits for an activity to be completed before moving on to the next task. Now navigate to the Time Limit drop-down and choose 1 day. This means if an activity isn't marked as done within a day, the workflow pauses until it is completed, keeping your process organized and timely. Add another activity by selecting Add Another Activity and proceed to give it a title. Again, click on the activity type drop-down and select Call, maintaining the consistency in activity type. Set the due date to the same day for the second activity as well. Finally, once you're satisfied with the settings, make sure to click Save as Draft. This step saves all your configurations, allowing you to review and make final adjustments before implementing these automations into your daily workflow. By following these steps, you'll be leveraging automation to maintain an efficient, streamlined process in your Pipedrive workflow. Thanks for watching, and feel free to leave any questions in the comments section below.